So, as I've told you, is our lookup exercise, mainly XLOOKUP, but also a little bit of XMATCH and a little bit of advanced XLOOKUP. I will link this exercise in the video description if you want to give it a try in advanced. But then I recommend to pause the video here because the next video part will be a solution for this exercise. So here we are at our exercise. We should do an XLOOKUP after the company name and then look up here in the name column and return, in this case, the sales. You can also select for the profits. We want to search for the name in the name column and hands out the profits, and also here the market value, hands out the market value. You see everything is right, and we could now track down, or can now track down this formula, and everything will be right. And if you are intelligent, or if you are very knowledgeable with references, you should know that you can also, or could also do this with references to only input the formula here once for sales and profits, not for market value, because there's a gap in between those. So lock the column for the lookup value, lock the whole column B, and here this column should stay dynamic. Oh, sorry. Here. And now you can drag it to the right and also down, and also down, and you have a solution for everything. Here, a little bit of more advanced XLOOKUP. You should search for the name of the last company from Australia in this list. So type in XLOOKUP, the lookup value is Australia, the lookup array is the country column, and the return array is the company name here. And now you see there's something called search mode in here inside this formula. And default is search from the first to the last element, but you could also here search from the last to the first element. And you see Ampol is the last company from Australia in this list. And you see this list is quite large with 2,000 companies in it. The first company with a market cap over 100 billion. So type in XLOOKUP. The lookup value is this value here. The lookup array is the market value, and the return array is the name of this company. And the match mode, as we did before in the example, should be exact match or next larger item. And you see PayPal back then, when this list was created, was the company with a market cap over 100 billion, but the closest to it. So we can search for it, with a market cap of 100 billion and 220 million. So the position in this list, look up after the name in the adjacent column. Position in the list is not the rank here, and you can track this formula down, not too wide. And you have solved this challenge or this exercise. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to address them in the comment section. I hope to see you also in the next video.